today I'm going to be sharing with you how to use an air fryer and how to fry shrimp in an air fryer. So this is my air fryer that I have at home. I recently purchased this one through Amazon. It's an Iconites air fryer. So I'm showing you here that the different things that it's capable of doing. You see the picture on top, and that's the light button. Also, you'll see that it has a thermostat. This button here is for when you're doing rotisserie, when you're doing your french fries or rotisserie and chicken. That's the power button. So when you're using this air fryer, it has, once you open the door, the light automatically comes on. As you see, these are the different parts that came with my air fryer, and it's quite a few things that came with it. I was very confused at first on how to use it, but once I sat down and I read the manual here that came with it, I understood how to do it. So this is the shrimp that I'm going to be frying today in it. And this one I picked it up at my local BJ's store. So I'll be showing you how I do this today. This is the drum that came with the air fryer. This is what we use for the french fries. So if you're doing any kind of fries, you can put it in here. And today I'm going to be putting my shrimp in here to fry. So here we go. This is the shrimp that I already put in. And this part comes with the air fryer, and it's used to insert and also to remove the items that you're going to be taking out via the drum. And that's because it's so hot. When it's done, you're not able to really hold it with your hands because it's really hot, so we use that. So I've inserted my drum in. Now I'm going to set my setting, turn the light on, power, and I'm looking for shrimp. Now you can also move your temperature up. You press that button that looks like it's rotating first, and then you just press the power to start it, and it will start just like this. Now if you feel you need more time for your shrimp to fry, it's okay to turn that timer to make it down, to add more time to it. If you want it to be even hotter, it's okay to also turn your thermostat up. But I just went with the setting, the amount of time it recommended. So here we go. So carefully remove. And I put a foil paper in the bottom here just because it catches any drippings or crumb from whatever you fry. And it really worked out really well. This is the shrimp, and it looks nice and it is crisp, I have to tell you. This is the sauce, sweet chili sauce that I'm going to put on my shrimp for added flavor. And this is the end result, air fried shrimp. Now with my air fried shrimp, I'm going to add to it for my family mac and cheese. This one I picked up at Aldi's, and I made that on the side, and then I just put my shrimp on top. The combination is really well together. So try this out, pick one up, one of these air fryers, let me know how it worked for you.